So in this tutorial I'll show you how to download copyright free YouTube audio from your PC. First of all, you have to log in your YouTube channel or with any kind of Gmail with YouTube, then top right corner, and then you can see the YouTube Studio. You have to go YouTube Studio, and then you can see this kind of interface. You have to scroll down and you see creator music beta. You have to press on creator music beta. You are accessing creative, you can skip it, and then you can see different kind of music and paid and free or revenue share. Revenue share means it's totally free $0, and revenue share means this those music are high quality, but you have to share revenue with the owner of this audio, so you can avoid it. Or if you want to buy with dollar, then you can just purchase from. And I want to download for free, then press on, suppose I want to download this, then press on this download preview option, and then you can see the all information and press on download, and then you can choose your file where you want to save it. Suppose I want to download it, and it's downloading. And you can choose different option, like you can generate the hip hop, classic, or mood, angry, chill, dark, license direction 1 year, 2 year, or you can select the forever. Then you can see all music. I recommend you to select forever, and the vocal, and a lot of option you have, you can see here. You can also search. Suppose I want to travel music, then you can see all the travel music are available here. This is using the track, not effect, it's free, and those are revenue share. So before using any audio, make sure you are using right audio. So that's it. So this is how you can easily download and use those music for your YouTube channel video. So hope video helpful. Please subscribe and thumbs up. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.